Okay, welcome to Cogi. This is Dave McClintock, the VP of Marketing. Today I'm going to give you a demonstration of how to make a call with Cogi when setting the recording so it only records my side of the conversation. And the benefit of that is if you're in sales or business development, or if you're contacting somebody new that you don't know and you don't feel comfortable relaying that you're going to be recording the conversation to them, then you might want to start without having the recording them, and you don't have to disclose it. It's actually not even by law, or even because it's not necessary. So first of all, bring your attention to the record setting on the Cogi software. There's three options: all, me, and off. And when I set it to me, that means when the call begins that it'll only be recording me. So I'll choose my mobile number from the call from list, and then I'll choose somebody hopefully that's around that can take a call. I'll call Steve, and he'll pretend to be a new customer that I only want to record me. So let me start the call here. My mobile phone will ring. There it is. And if you want, you can see me answer it. Hello. There. I'm going to put the speakerphone on. You missed the prompt that said recording is on for you only. Hey Steve, this is Dave McClintock. I'm going to pretend that you're a new client that I'm calling.
Sounds great.
And now what I'm doing here is I'm recording me only. So I'm doing a demonstration on the software, and I'm making a video. And what I'd like to do is maybe we'll say a few words, and then say we get to an important part of the conversation, Steve, and you're telling me some really important stuff. And I say, "Hey, Steve, I want to capture this on my note-taking system. So I'm going to turn this system on. You'll hear a prompt saying it's going to be recorded, and I'm going to transcribe the part. So here it goes. All right. Actually, I got the disclosure prompt on the screen here. So now you're being recorded. So if you talk, your voice will come through on the
Sure.
screen. So tell me something really important.
Excellent, Dave. Well, I'm available at 10 a.m. I'll make sure and bring the equipment that we talked about, and then we can review the contract at the same time.
Oh,
Does that sound
fantastic.
good?
That sounds great. And tell me now, when we review that contract, are the requirements going to be the same, or are we going to have to revamp that portion of the contract having that's stating all of the customer's end requirements?
I think we're going to have to revamp the contract somewhat, just in the area of the duration of the contract. I think the contract can run no longer than 45 days.
Okay, and the termination clause is going to stay in place then. All right, that concludes our demonstration. Thanks, Steve. Why don't you hang up, and I'm going to mark this last part as a highlight, and we'll connect later. Thanks, bud. Okay, now that the call has ended, we can type subject, demonstration call with Steve, recording me only, then all, and submit, and I'm ready to make a new call. That concludes our demonstration for today. Thanks a lot, and make sure that you come and visit Cogi.com. Let's set this so you can read it. There it is.